Effective warehouse management streamlines operations, reduces costs, and enhances customer satisfaction by ensuring timely and accurate order fulfillment. Acumatica's native WMS application helps inventory-centric businesses optimize stocking levels, minimize errors, and maximize space utilization. Expedite inventory receipt and put away, automate physical inventory counts, and leverage barcode scanners for order picking, packing, and shipment processing. Tailor activities with configurable warehouse management preferences. For example, define default expiration dates and automatically print inventory labels for receipts. Enable carts for order picking and automate shipping label creation for order fulfillment. And set preferences for warehouse transfers, physical inventory, and other transactions. Set up warehouses with locations such as rows or aisles, shelves, and bins, and optionally use carts and totes for warehouse transactions. Define ABC classification codes to analyze inventory hits and optimize storage locations. For example, store fast-moving items closer to the shipping dock. And automate warehouse transactions with barcodes for improved throughput and reduced errors. The Acumatica mobile app works on Android and iOS devices, such as smartphones or rugged tablets and barcode scanners. Use the Process Orders screen to release orders for picking, packing, and shipping. Create pick lists for warehouse workers. Most companies use single order picking, while others pick for multiple orders. For example, we could use batch picking, where items are picked for multiple orders and later sorted for shipments. In this scenario, we will use wave picking to sort items into different totes for multiple orders as the items are being picked. Select the orders that you want to include in the wave pick list and check the Send to Picking Queue option to enable prioritized picking queues. You can reprioritize and assign pick lists from the picking queue. The picking queue provides visibility to warehouse managers for all in-process picking activities. Next, you can print pick lists. Alternatively, you can pick orders without paper pick lists from handheld devices. As previously mentioned, the Acumatica mobile app enables warehouse workers to pick, pack, ship, receive, put away, and automate other warehouse activities using barcode scanners or smartphones. In pick mode, you first need to scan the pick list number. Since we are wave picking, we need to scan each tote associated with the wave pick for sorting each order. Acumatica directs the picker to location R1S1 to pick the first item. Next, the worker scans the location and the items they are picking at that location. Scan the barcode multiple times to increase the quantity. Alternatively, the worker can enter the quantity via the app. Now we can confirm the pick list. Let's take a look at the picking queue in Acumatica. You can see how long we've been working on this pick. If we refresh the screen, we can see that the activity has moved from picking to packing. Next, you would change modes on the mobile app, pack each order, and prepare the shipment to complete this activity. Acumatica supports native integrations for small parcel carriers with connected solutions for less than truckload and full truckload shipments. Optimize employee performance, improve order accuracy, and reduce errors that result in costly returns with real-time data. Access role-based dashboards to take action on warehouse and order issues such as late orders. Analyze inventory receipts with configurable inquiries and leverage reports and forms to automate warehouse activities. Extend Acumatica WMS with connected applications for electronic data interchange, shipping, and label creation. You can continue to use many third-party warehouse systems like Kensium Fusion that connect seamlessly to Acumatica. Acumatica's native WMS application automates inventory receipts, transfers, and shipment activities to reduce errors and expedite order fulfillment. Similar features are available to automate manufacturing transactions with the Manufacturing Data Collection app. Implement sustainable business practices with paperless picking and improve worker efficiency with advanced order picking strategies. Contact us today to schedule a personalized demonstration.